Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. I cannot tell you how many times I've been in a closet or a cabinet and had no lighting. It just makes it so difficult. These awesome sensor lights from Anmeery are a perfect solution for under your cabinets or in closets like I did. This comes with a set of 5 lights, and you can see that they're not super long, so they're really perfect for smaller spaces like cabinets and closets. They are so easy to install. It literally took maybe 10 minutes because all you have to do is put the adhesive up on your wall and you can easily magnetize all of them. They also have an option for a hook if you decide to use a nail in your wall. The lights are so nice because they have 2 different options. So in some of my closets, I opted for the bright white LED, but then I have a hallway that I wanted to have a light on, and I opted for the yellowish light so it doesn't blind me when I'm hitting that hallway. These are so perfect for all of the closets in our home, and they're automatically on thanks to that really easy to use sensor. So the lights come with a stand that you can charge them, or you can use the enclosed cords, and that charge will charge them up in no time. You can easily see that they're fully charged because the light sensor on it goes from red to green. The lights are really bright, they come on automatically every time, they're just super reliable, and I love this smaller size. It's such a great feature and so nice to have these in your closets so that every time you open the door or every time you go down a hallway, you won't have to worry about fumbling in the dark or tripping thanks to these awesome, easy to use, and great working lights. But that's my point of view.